Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use LightSpeed to create and manage your own retail. So let's get started. First of all, you can create your account from free trial, or you can just log in your account if you already have an existing one. And now I will use Retail X Series, and I will press on login. Then I will insert my store URL that I have created when I first registered to LightSpeed. Then I'm going to enter my username and password, and let's wait for it to load. I will choose main register, and here we are. So basically, to start, you have to add your first product, which can be accessed from sell here on the left menu. I will show it to you from this button. So basically, here is your home. And to start creating your first item or your first product, you can go to sell. Just a couple of seconds, and here we are. Now it will pop up in front of you that you have to start or create your own first product here. So let's press on add products. And this is what you will see. So basically, here you can see all your products. Since we don't have any active products, it's blank. So you can import your products in the form of CSV or Excel versions, or you can just go to add product from here. And now you will have to insert some basic information like name of the product. Let's say, for example, shoes. And brand is our brand, which is Volt. Then I will insert a description. You can also choose how your text will look like. So I will make it bold. Now you can insert tags, which will help you to filter your own products. You can also insert a category. So I will add category, which is called shoes, and I will add it. So basically, if you are selling more than one type of products, you can add categories, so it will be easier for you to filter them. Here you can choose to sell on point of sale. So once you share or you submit your own product, it will be active and available to be sold. You can also click on here to be available to sell online on your website, which I will show you later on this tutorial. Now you can add an image. So I will click on choose images, and I will choose to browse from here. Then I will choose the image from my own device, and I will wait for it to upload. And here it is. So now I will press on apply images. I forgot to press on the checkbox. I will return back and press on the checkbox here. Then I will press on apply, and here it is. Now you can choose your inventory. You can choose whether it's a standard product, so it's only one version, or variant product, so it has more than one version, like different colors and different sizes. And here you can choose composite product, in which it contains more than one raw material. So now I will choose variant product, and here you can choose a supplier. You can also choose supplier code. So I will say, for example, supplier is myself, which is Volt. Like I am an integrating company, and I will add it, and I will say in my integrated company. And now I will add a supplier. The supplier code is 1, and the cost is here, it's in Egyptian pounds, so I will choose like thousands, which may be about $20, I think. You can also add another supplier from here. You can also track your inventory, or you can just disable it or enable. You can also add a tax here. So I will just say no tax, 0%. And now you can add markup. So the higher markup you add, the more retail price you've got. Now you can insert the variant. So I can say, for example, size, and I can add this variant. And I can add values like small. I can also add size variant here. And I will choose medium. No, sorry, I will just delete this. I will insert medium on the same box. Large. I will delete this because I just placed more R here. And now you have your attributes, so you can give them the same supplier price, or you can make one higher than the other. So I will just keep them all as 1,000 Egyptian pound. And once you are done, you can press on. Now let's choose this as volt again. I don't know why it has been deleted. Add brand. And now I will save. And now we have created our first product successfully. So when you search for your own products, you will find your product here, which is available in 3 variants, and you will find all the details in here. Now you can go to promotions, for example, where you can place or adjust a promotion or discount for your own customers. Now you can go and press on add promotion. Then you can enter the promotion name like 50%. You can add a description or you can leave it blank. You can choose an outlet. So I will choose my main outlet here. Now I will use one-time promotion, not recurring. And you can also choose a date for expiration. So I will just choose no end date. I will just choose a date here, and I will choose no end date. Now you can also choose the type of promotion, which is basic or advanced. So I will just offer the basic one, and I will choose 50%. Here you can say whether it's available to everyone in case like Black Friday or any occasions in which there is a discount, or you can just choose it to be exclusive to some. Here I will choose all customers, and I will apply a promo code where I will add promo codes from here, and I will choose the promo code to be named as 50/50 $. Then I will just enter the number of redemptions as 1 per customer, and then I will save. And it's done. So basically now you have set your own product and your own promotion. You can sell these services or these products by going here to your own sell everywhere online. Here you will be able to sell it on your web store, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or settings. You can also go to settings here and choose apps, where you can integrate with your online store like Shopify. Here you have many options to integrate with LightSpeed. So here you can connect your own Shopify to start selling through your own online store. And this is how easy you can use LightSpeed to create your online business and manage it. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.